everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a bit of a review on Biggleswade Miniature Railway. I've just found this game on Roblox and let's also take a look. Firstly, there are a lot of teams: passenger, driver, transplant, emergency response units, British Transport Police, and Biggleswade Transport Museum. It seems as I only have unlocked driver and passenger. Let's have a look at some of the trains. Firstly, we have an S-Stock tube train. This model looks very good.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
The lights don't seem to work, but I think it's a very nice model. Next up, we have a D-Stock, which is refurbished. I think that's a C-Stock, stand clear of the doors. That's a D-Stock, which is actually quite unfortunate. Let's have a look at the next one. There are also two liveries for the D-Stock, original and refurbed. The next train we're taking a look at is the 1973 stock. This train has 4 coaches, the same as any other train. That is the same for the 1973 stock, which is so unfortunate. Next up, we'll take a look at the 1972 stock. This is the final train. Fortunately, this train only has 3 coaches and is not as long as the other units. It's the same with the D stock, the 1973 stock, and the 1972 stock, as they all have the exact same door sounds. Now, let's take a ride let's drive in an S-Stock and have a look at some of the stations. Here is the lovely Here is the depot. I'm not sure what's down there, but we'll take a look in a second. Actually, we could take a look now. Give me one moment, everyone. Let's just put this train back in the depot. Fortunately, you cannot sprint in this game, which is quite unfortunate. I believe this could be the Transport Museum, if I'm correct. This is actually the transplant bit. Fortunately, I cannot take a look. But as you can see, there are a lot of trains in the shed. Is that a 1960 stock I see? Wow, that is fantastic. It seems that there could be rail tours, as these carriages look like freight carriages and tour carriages. I'm not sure I saw a class 37 though. Yes, it is a 1960 stock. That's fantastic. Fortunately, I cannot see into the back. I believe these are the only trains that they have. Let me reset to get back to my S-Stock. It seems that my S-Stock has despawned. I'll have to get a new one. a look and have a ride on an S-Dock train. It seems that the switches are automatic, which is so convenient. This station is Biggleswade on Sea. This is a 2-platform station and a terminus. Fortunately, I believe there is a glitch at the end of this platform, where you cannot switch for tracks and go back into a depot. Goodbye, Biggleswade on Sea. Over here we have some nice scenery, even though it could be updated. Here is Biggleswade by a tree. Well, I suppose it is by a tree. It is by a tree. The station is actually Biggleswade next to a tree. The next stop, I believe, will be Biggleswade in the floor. Sadly, there are some trains here which have been reserved. I believe this is a battery locomotive that was caught in the fire at Biggleswade in the floor. And this was also caught in the fire. As you can see, the doors have been ripped off. There's another bit of line here. Let me go take a look what it is. I believe this could be the Transport Museum. Yes, Biggleswade Transport Museum, or BTM. Here are some preserved carriages. I believe I'm correct. I'll not be able to see into here, but I can tell you if I'm correct by looking through this hole. Wow, there are lots of trains. Sadly, I can't open it. Wow, I can go inside. How convenient. This looks like the first model of the S-Dock. And these look like some old carriages. Look at that, a 1938 stock train. I think I can drive these, which is so incredible. Yes, I can. I believe these are admin trains though. So, owner, if you're watching this, please don't get mad at me. I actually was just having a look, and I feel like I want to drag my S-Dock train. This genetically isn't intended as rudeness or breaking the rules. If you don't want anyone driving, I suggest adding a wipe wheel system to these trains. There's the S-Dock that I'm going to be dragging. Fortunately, there was no DCC contest editor, which is so unfortunate. I believe I'll have to move this train back. Select this train. Pull my train into the Transport Museum. And here it is. This train is going to couple to my train. Uh-oh. It seems that I need to move my train a bit back. No, I just got stuck. Oh no! Oh, that's such a bummer. I don't believe you can couple trains. Oh, yes you can! It seems that I've coupled my train to this one. And the train is now going to be moving my train into the depot. What a surprise! I've never seen an S-stop go into a transport museum before. I kind of want to wait at the level crossing, so I'm going to move my train so that I can watch it go over. Here it comes. The driver of 21 whistles to alert people visiting the transport museum that this train is coming through. Coming through. It's coming. Yes, I noticed you're watching this. Yeah, I really like these trains and I really want to drive them, so if you wanna make it so that you can drive these trains, yeah, for free, I'd really love to do that. I'm levitating the Milky Way, I'm levitating, yeah, I got you, moonlight, oh my starlight, I need you. And here we are at the Transport Museum. I'm just going to reverse and put the S-stop on myself. Fortunately, I don't think I can uncouple this train. Nope, it's impossible to uncouple. Please make it so that you can uncouple trains, the owner. Please make it so you can uncouple trains, owner. I would love to see an implement of that. I'm just going to take a few screenshots. Bear with me. A few screenshots. Bear with me. Bear with me. I'm just going to take a few screenshots. I know that the next station you probably want to see. The next station is called Biggleswade Turnaround. I'm not going to say the word on the end, as I think it may offend some of our viewers. This is the end of the video. Farewell. I'm actually going to take a thumbnail shot for you all. That's the end of the video. Farewell.